Hello friends, my name's Christopher. Welcome to my garden. Are you shopping for a gardener in your life? Is it Dad? Is it Father's Day? This is being filmed in June. That was my inspiration. Be it Father's Day, a birthday, a holiday, anything, Vego has you covered. I am a Vego garden superfan. I'm also a father of 3. So if you're looking for recommendations for Dad, from Dad, I hope that's something that you'll consider. When you do your shopping, please do it from the affiliate link in the description below. Vego doesn't pay me directly, but I do participate in their affiliate marketing. So shopping through that doesn't cost you any more, but I do get a credit kickback to buy more cool garden stuff to make great videos for you all season. This should be a pretty quick video. I hope you'll enjoy. Item number 1, raised beds. That's right. Dad might not know it yet, but he definitely wants raised beds. You see, he's getting older, and his neck, back, and knees are going to need all the help that he can get. So raising that garden produce up from the ground 17 inches or more is incredibly beneficial. Not only that, but raised beds provide the ideal opportunity to amend your soil specifically for whatever you want to grow. Gift idea number 2, more tomato cages. If your dad happens to be a woodworker, then he probably already knows the adage that there's never enough clamps. He always needs more clamps. Of course he's right, and the same adage can extend to the garden. We always need more supports for our tomatoes. So whether it's a planter with a trellis like I have for this cherry tomato, or if it's a small forest of stakes like I have for this whole bed of tomatoes, Vego has you covered with many options. Hoses are the third item on the list. They always seem to let us down, right? Talk to your dad, I'm sure he's got plenty of stories about how many hoses and nozzles he's bought over the years. Whether it's from the sun baking the hose on the rack and making it all brittle, or the hose itself being out for too long and somebody accidentally nicked it with a lawnmower, or the nozzle getting clogged up with hard water deposits, and no amount of CLR can possibly fix that. Or throwing his shoulder up trying to rind the sucker in on the reel. Vego has engineered a beautiful solution that I would like to add to my garden eventually in the form of their reels and nozzles that are self-retracting and go for so long they could be high flow or regular rate. They are a perfect, elegant addition to Dad's garden. Well, my next suggestion for that special man in your life is his next big summer project. That's right. Does your dad or husband always have to have something to tinker with? Does he want to feel like a true master gardener and craftsman? Might I suggest a greenhouse? Oh, but there's no greenhouse here, you say? That's right, it's something I'm hoping to get one of these days as well. This space is perfect. It's about 11 by 11, a perfect fit for an 8.5 by 8.5 greenhouse. Vego has a lot to choose from in different styles and different sizes. It is an ideal job for somebody who wants to build something that is stately and showy and incredibly functional, and it dovetails perfectly into his next hobby, which is going to be outdoor seed starting. Well, your dad, your husband, your brother, they're all men. And as such, it's very likely that the social media algorithms have introduced them to everyday carry, also known as EDC, knives and multi-tools and other cool stuff to always be prepared. So in that vein, what garden kit would be complete without a hori-hori knife? Now, I've had this one for ages. It was a gift to me a long time ago, but Vego offers one that's equally wonderful and incredibly beautiful. A hori-hori knife, it's Japanese. Hori means dig, I think, a dig knife. They've got a serrated edge, a long, straight, pointed blade, markings, perhaps some tools, maybe a bottle opener or a can opener or something on it. It is the most versatile tool, and I use it almost exclusively for planting and for cutting in my garden. But your dad's going to love it, he's going to want to talk about it, he's going to want to show it off to his friends. It is an inexpensive but very practical tool. Bonus, you could get him a garden toolbox. My next suggestion is composting. Now, this still seems to be something that a lot of people don't do. So if your dad or your husband or your brother, whoever you're shopping for right now, doesn't compost, consider getting them started with a simple kit from Vego. There are a lot of ways to do it, big and small, but the point is, stop brown bagging your garden things and putting them out to the curb for the city to take them. They're stealing from you. Use that biomatter. Recycle it into your own compost that you can add back into the garden. Just get started and do something. And if you have a specific HOA that doesn't allow for more rustic things like this out of wood and wire, Vego's got you covered with something that is elegant and discreet. Well, my final recommendation is actually something that I'm not holding or showing in person, but it's new seed trays. Perhaps your person is like me and they've just been reusing the old pots that their plants came in once upon a time from the greenhouse or the home improvement store. Have you ever sterilized them? Are they cracked all over? Mine are pretty bad, and I need some new ones. Odds are, your person does too. Vego has a huge array to pick from, depending on whether you're starting individual teeny little starts or you want to grow great big plants. Check it out, and like anything on Vego, they're meant to last for a very, very long time. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were inspired. When you're ready to do some shopping, do it through that affiliate link down in the description. Thank you so much. Happy gardening. Bye.